Situation 1. A. Tomorrow I go to work. B. Tomorrow I'm going to work.
The correct answer is B. Tomorrow I'm going to work sounds natural and grammatically correct.
Situation 2. A. I'll call you tomorrow. B. I will calling you tomorrow.
Definitely A. Remember, after will, use the base verb.
Situation 3. A. Tomorrow night we watch movie. B. Tomorrow night we're watching a movie.
B sounds much more natural.
Situation 4. A. I think tomorrow will be busy. B. I think tomorrow busy.
A is correct because English needs the verb be.
Situation 5. A. Maybe I'll stay home tomorrow. B. Maybe I staying home tomorrow.
A sounds correct and natural.
English has many little phrases like this that need practice.
Let's do some funny examples.
Okay.
Imagine someone says, "Tomorrow I will becoming doctor."
Wow, that's a very fast career change.
Correct version, tomorrow I'll become a doctor. Or more naturally, I'm becoming a doctor soon.
Here's another funny one. Tomorrow I sleeping.
Honestly, that sounds like me on weekends.
Same.
Correct version, tomorrow I'm sleeping all day tomorrow. Or, I'm going to sleep all day tomorrow.
Listeners, remember this important point. Mistakes help you learn.
Yes, don't feel embarrassed.
It does. But in English, present continuous can also talk about future plans.
That's very common in casual conversation.
For example, I'm flying to Lahore tomorrow. We're visiting my parents tomorrow. She's starting a new job tomorrow.
These sentences feel very natural and conversational.
Yes. Usually, if there's a future time word, like tomorrow, people understand immediately.
Let's compare formal and informal styles.
Good idea.
Formal. I am going to attend a meeting tomorrow.
Informal. I'm meeting my boss tomorrow.
Informal. I'm meeting my boss tomorrow.
Listeners, can you make one negative sentence about tomorrow? Try it now.
Maybe, I won't eat fast food tomorrow. Or, I'm not going to stay up late tomorrow.
Very nice. And remember, don't worry too much about being perfect. The goal is communication.
Exactly. If people understand you, you're already succeeding.
Before we finish this section, let's do a quick review. We learned going to for plans, will for future actions and predictions, questions about tomorrow, and negative future sentences.
Great job, everyone! You're already becoming more confident talking about your tomorrow in English.
Now let's build on that and learn more natural ways people talk about tomorrow in everyday conversation.
Yes, because native speakers don't always use full textbook sentences.
Exactly. Sometimes people say, I'm working tomorrow. I'm meeting Sarah tomorrow. We're having dinner tomorrow night.
Wait, that sounds like present tense. Same here. People love talking about weekend plans. Listeners, answer this question out loud. What are you doing tomorrow?
Even if your answer is simple, that's okay. Maybe, I'm staying home tomorrow. Or, I'm going to work tomorrow.
Simple English is powerful English.
Now, let's look at negative forms.
Very important.
For going to, we say, I'm not going to work tomorrow. She isn't going to come tomorrow.
And for will, I won't be busy tomorrow. He won't join us tomorrow.
Here's a funny example. Tomorrow, I'm not going to wake up early. That's usually my weekend plan.
Mine too. Sometimes sleeping is the best plan.
I'm going to meet my cousin tomorrow.
I'll see my cousin tomorrow afternoon.
Great. Notice how both can sound natural.
Yes, and native speakers mix these forms all the time.
Another important thing is time words. When we talk about tomorrow, we often use words like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, next week, later, soon.
Here are some examples. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to make pancakes. Tomorrow night, we'll watch a movie. I'll call you later tomorrow.
Listeners, repeat these out loud. Speaking out loud is very important for confidence.
Yes, don't just listen silently. Your mouth needs practice too.
Let's talk about questions now. If you want to ask someone about tomorrow, you can say, "What are you doing tomorrow?" "Are you going anywhere tomorrow?" "What will you do tomorrow?"
I ask my friends these questions all the time, especially on Fridays.
Exactly. Let me give a real-life example. Yesterday, my friend asked me, "What are you doing tomorrow?" I said, "I'm going to clean my apartment."
That sounds very responsible.
Honestly, I cleaned for maybe 20 minutes and then watched videos online for 2 hours.
That's still progress.
Thank you for supporting my lazy lifestyle.
Always.
Now, let's practice more examples. I'll say a sentence, and Sarah will give another natural version.
Let's do it.
Tomorrow, I'm going to exercise.
Tomorrow, I'll go to the gym.
Also, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Simple English Talks so you never miss a new lesson.
All right, everyone, grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning how to talk about tomorrow in English naturally.
Let's begin with the most basic and useful way to talk about tomorrow in English. Usually, we use the future tense.
And the good news is, it's actually very simple.
Yes. One common structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb.
For example, I'm going to study tomorrow. She's going to cook dinner tomorrow. They're going to travel next week.
Perfect examples. We use going to when we already have a plan or intention.
Another very common structure is subject plus will plus verb.
Right. For example, I'll call you tomorrow. We'll see what happens. He'll finish the work tomorrow.
So listeners, here's an easy tip. Going to usually sounds like a planned action. Will often sounds more spontaneous or like a prediction.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Talks. We're so happy you're here with us today. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world.
Hey, everyone. It feels so good to sit down and practice English together again. I've got my coffee, I'm ready to learn, and I'm excited for today's topic.
Oh, me too. Actually, this morning, I was thinking about tomorrow's plans. I was checking my calendar and saying things like, tomorrow I'm going to wake up early, and I'm meeting a friend tomorrow evening. Then I realized something. Wow, we talk about tomorrow all the time in daily life.
That's true. We're always talking about our future plans. Even simple things like what we're eating tomorrow, where we're going, or what we hope will happen next week.
Exactly. So today, we're going to learn how to talk about your tomorrow in English, naturally and confidently.
We'll practice useful phrases, easy grammar, real conversations, and common mistakes. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to speak about tomorrow in a smooth and natural way.
And don't worry if future tense feels difficult sometimes. We're going to keep everything simple and practical, just like always here on Simple English Talks.
Yes, we're not here for difficult textbook English. We're here for real English that people actually use every day.
So, listeners, here's a question for you. What are your plans for tomorrow? Write one sentence in the comments using English. Maybe, tomorrow I'm going shopping. Or, tomorrow I'll study English.
Oh, that's a great idea. And try to write your comment before the episode ends. Practice makes progress.